Hello, hello, second graders. Miss Shannon here with your writing lesson for today. This is lesson 4, crafting powerful endings. Last time, as you wrote your rough draft, you were thinking about how you could zoom in and include lots of detail in your story by adding exact actions that the characters did and including dialogue. You included those writing elements, exact action, and dialogue into your rough draft. Today, we will focus on the end of your story in your rough draft and think about how we can craft a powerful ending to your story and make it even better than it already is. Remember that when we write stories, we don't just stop the story and say, the end. We want to make it powerful for your reader so that it is memorable. I will show you 3 ways you can end your story and make it powerful for your reader. I would like you to choose one of these strategies to end your story. Here is the first option: ending your story with a strong feeling. You will remind or tell your reader your feelings about what happened in your story. Now, you will want to share your character's feelings. If you are the main character in your story, then you would share your feelings. But if your main character is someone different, you would share their feelings. I provided an example. In this story that I'm sharing, it's all about Molly's last day of school before summer break. So for my final 2 sentences on my last page, I could write, "It had been a long school year. Molly felt so relieved that it was finally summer." So I'm sharing my main character's feelings. She felt relieved that it was summertime. That's one way to end your story, sharing your character's feelings. Here is a second way to end your story. You can ask a question. On the final line on the final page, after you've shared how your story ends, you could ask your reader an important question about your story. Again, thinking of my same story, Molly's last day of school, our question at the end could be, are you excited for summer? And finally, option number 3, ending your story with dialogue. Share what was said by a character to end the activity or event. So, if I'm thinking about my story is Molly's last day of school, this is the dialogue or the words that she says to end the story. "School's out for summer!" Molly shouted through the neighborhood as she hopped off the bus and ran to her house. So I crafted a powerful ending by including dialogue, sharing what my main character Molly said to end the event or activity. With her shouting, "School's out for summer," it officially ends her last day of school. So second graders, you will reread your ending and choose one of the 3 options to edit your ending and make sure you are making it powerful for your reader. You will then take a picture of your ending here. Make sure you include the changes you have made from your original ending.